Hello, friends. I'm Benny the Bunny, and today we're going to learn how to add.
Ooh, the numbers are ready to play.
It's easy when we count things together. Can you help me count?
Now let's count together. 1, 2, ho!
And one more makes 3.
Yay, so! 2 plus 1 equals 3. Oops, guess that one hopped away. Adding just means putting things together, like cookies.
If you have 2 and you get 2 more, you have 4.
You did amazing, Math Stars! Remember, adding means putting things together. See you next time! If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe and like for more videos.